Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to change a button color in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and I have simply added a button widget in the section. Now what I want to do is I want to change the color of this button. Right now it is blue. I just want to change it to red color. So how I can do that? So for that you just need to move your cursor over the button and you will find a pen icon in the top right corner. You can click on that, and in the left side toolbar you will find three kinds of setting: the content is settings, the style setting, and the advanced setting. You just need to move to the style setting, and here in the style setting you will find the color option. Okay, whenever you click on the color option, you will the color palette would appear in front of you, and you can simply select the color from the color palette, whatever the button color you want. So as you can see, I have simply selected red color and my button color have been turned to red. So this is how you can change the color of your button in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you're interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.